Well, folks, the proud new owner of the Roback gonna load up his Mustang here. Couldn't get anybody to come with him to drive it, so he figured, well, shoot, we'll just go ahead and load it up. Hold on a second. Are you going to just tow it back with this, or what?
No, but I thought you don't have to put that lift down.
Nah,
so that, okay. No, yeah, I'm gonna put it on the bed. I thought that had to be down or something.
No, nope. Because this slides way on back,
Yeah.
see? In a way, I'm kind of sad she's going. I've got become kind of partial to the old girl. But I'm glad I did the work, and he's going to put it right to work. He's got a contract with the company to go get vehicles and bring them in. So I believe it's going to make him a real good truck. Because had it not be for me, that truck would probably be at the salvage yard. Same way with my big yellow friend over there. It was going to go to the cutting torch. So yeah, he was kind of worried about Mustang driving up on there, but I don't think it's going to be an issue at all. She sounds real good. Big old 366 purring along. I never did load anything with it. There's a big old log up the road here that fell during the storm here a couple years ago. I was going to go load it with it, and decided not to. Like, I got enough stuff to do the way it is. So he gets loaded up here, and we're going back up there to the sawmill and commenced on sawing up the rest of those logs. Let's see how she's going to go here. Just bit clear, but she's doing good. That's looking good. How far do you want to go up?
Should I go to touch the...
Yep, come on up. Whoa! She looks good on there. Yeah, I just barely wanted to touch underneath the bumper there. Other way. Will it go down anymore? Let's see if it'll suck it up. Go ahead and suck it up now. There you go. So I'm just proud that she's back on the road. Gonna go back to work. And instead of going to the scrap iron.
I already had my first breakdown. That knob, as soon as I pulled out on that knob, it just come off a piece.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll get another one put on there. I think I just pulled too hard, to be honest with you.
Yeah, like me, a lot of adrenaline going.
Yeah.
All right, well. She cleaned up really good. All right. GoPro, stop recording.